Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are consider question number 2 of November 2025 Analysis and Approaches High Level Paper 1 paper. Okay, let's consider this question number 2. It's about the logarithms, 6 marks total, 2 parts. Part A, given that x is more than 0, show that this expression, this identity is true. Yeah, so it means that the left side could be modified to the right hand side. Let's work out with the left hand side. So in denominator we can immediately factorize x minus 7 and x minus 1. Yeah, I'm talking about this denominator. Yeah, by using the factorizing approach, you can find the video in my channel how to factorize this kind of expressions. And the next expression in numerator of the second fraction could be also use the difference of two square formula, x minus 1, x plus 1. Okay, now time to reduce the fraction. X plus 1, x minus 1, and finally we get x over x minus 7. That's it. So it is your two marks, yeah. And part B. In part B it says hence or otherwise. It means that using the part A or somehow else. First, I'm going to copy because this logarithm is quite looks challenging, to be honest. So let's make it easier. Let's use my hand to write and my brain to try to simplify at the same time. Plus 7 x plus 1. Okay, finished. Okay, now question is this one: how to solve this? Yeah, it looks challenging, but the first thing we have to notice that the basis of these two logarithms are the same. This is very important. Yeah, it means that we can move these two logarithms to the left hand side and the one to the right hand side. So I'm going to just I will demonstrate using tools of my tablet. Again, wait, one more time. So this is going to be here, yeah, here, and then we will use the property of logarithms. Logarithm 2 x squared minus 1. Yeah, I'm so happy that I shouldn't be in hurry here in YouTube, because once you will making video for TikTok, it takes just a few seconds to speak. That's why you have to speak so fast. Here it's fine. And this one is to be shifted to the right hand side. Yeah, I'm going to demonstrate. This one should be shifted here on the right hand side. So it is 1 here. Hope it is clear. And now let's turn to the usage of formula of logarithms. The sum addition law. So logarithm a plus logarithm b is equal to logarithm ab. This formula given in formula booklet, and by the way, the base doesn't matter, but it should be the same for sure. Let's say c, and c. Okay, here we have this is our a, yeah, and this is our b, yeah, and here is minus. It's not plus, so that's why we will use another formula. Logarithm c. So it is formula about the a over b. Okay, we will use this second formula. So let's use this formula. Our a is the orange, in orange, yeah. So this is our a and this is our b. Okay, so you see the connection, and now let's turn to use this rule now. Okay, so it will be logarithm of the ratio x squared minus 1 over x squared minus 8x plus 7 x plus 1 base 2, and for sure it is under the logarithm equals to 1. Okay, now this expression looks huge and scary, to be honest. Yeah, but if we will look at the part A, you see in part A we have exactly the same thing, and this thing is equal to x over x minus 7. Let's use the part A here. So let's show that it is equal to x over x minus 7, right? Wow. And now if you remember the rule of logarithm of b in base A is equal to 1, it means that A in power 1 equals to b. So the same here. So x over x minus 7 is equal to 2 in power 1. And now let's multiply both sides by x minus 7. I know that my video watches the students from different countries, and there are different approaches how this equation could be solved. It doesn't matter actually. Yeah, you can use any method you like. I'm going to use this approach. So we have both sides multiplied by x minus 7. So x is equal to 2x minus 7. X is equal to 2x minus 14. And then solving this equation, we will have minus x is equal to minus 14. X is equal to 14. Okay, x is equal to 14. This is the answer of part B of this question. Yeah, I hope this video was clear for you. Please ask any comments if you have something to ask or suggest. I'll be happy to share my next videos with next this paper questions. Goodbye, subscribe to my other channels, and see you in the next video.